Do you want to know how you can top up money on your account on Melbet? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can top up money on your account or deposit money on your account on Melbet. Go ahead and open melbet.in and then you can log into your account. After you log into your account, you can see make a deposit over here. This is how you top up money. So go ahead and click make a deposit, which is over here and over here as well. And then you can see some of the top up options. Some of them are bank cards, e-wallets, payment systems, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, game items, and e-vouchers. So you can select one of these. Let's suppose I want to select this one. I'll go ahead and select it. And then you should write down the amount of your top up and type in your wallet number and your wallet name. Then you can add the JPG format or any of these formats. So you can write one of these and you can write down your transaction ID. And if you are still confused, you can go ahead and check this video over here, and in a while you can notice that you can easily top up money or deposit money on your Melbet account. So guys, this is how you top up your money or make a deposit on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.